Hi everyone, it's great to see you. It is raining outside behind me here today, but I have a double box that arrived from Mr. Maple with some really interesting trees and bushes in it. So I'm going to be opening this right up. I love how you just cut those couple pieces of tape. Let me make sure I get this back in. There we go. Oh, and I am so excited about what's in here. So first, we have, yes, another Japanese maple. Now this is a dwarf type of Japanese maple called Saiho. And it is a Japanese maple that has super tiny leaves. One of the tiniest leaves that you can get in Japanese maples. And I think that really just drew me to it. And this maple is often used for bonsai. Now I'm planning to keep it in a pot, so something small is really, really good. And it gets this flush of little tiny, very closely, it's a very compact tree. You can see all the branching and how it's very compact even already, and the leaves layer in very compactly also. After about 15 years, this might get 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide, but this is going to stay very small. And of course, you can trim it back if you're doing a bonsai or a pot like I'm going to be doing to keep it even smaller. So I'm very excited about this Japanese maple. It looks great with all the branching, doesn't it, Pickle? Yeah. Taking a look? Okay, and then in here, I have one of 2 green towers that I ordered. So green towers are a type of Austrian black pine. The really neat thing about green tower is that it grows 7 to 8 feet tall. We're talking after about 10 years, so it has a ways to go, but it's going to get 7 to 8 feet tall and only about 1.5 feet wide. So this is a very narrow, very unique black pine. It gets some really pretty candles on it, and I'm really excited about this. So I ended up with 2 of these. Let me just open the other side here so you can see the other one, that I'm going to be putting in an area in the front yard that I need something really, really narrow for. That's going to frame our front window. Here's our other one. Oh, look at this. So you can just imagine these on either side of our large window getting 7 to 8 feet tall and really maintaining this real columnar shape, really nice and skinny, but also evergreen. So these will give some nice winter interest. I love the long needles that they have that really grow very upright. I think this is fabulous. Oh, and yes, all my friends here are excited about the plants too. So I just want to share this with you quickly. I'll be sharing more when I'm putting these in pots or out in the yard. But for now, this was the excitement of my day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.